Alright, car shoppers, welcome back to Lexus of Wilmington. Just trading in this 2008 Lexus RX350. This one is called Breakwater Blue. Got tan leather interior, power bucket seats, wood grain trim, front heated seats, CD and cassette, remember those? Navigation, rear view camera, wood and leather steering, and 109,000 miles. Here's your sunroof. Plenty of room here in the back seat. Lexus wheels. Plenty of room back here in the trunk area. Power rear door. And it's right here at Lexus of Wilmington. Looking for more information on this 08 RX or any of the other almost 100 vehicles in our pre-owned inventory in our 90,000 square foot pre-owned showroom. That's right. When you come here to Lexus of Wilmington, you do your car shopping indoors to avoid the elements of the weather. Stay warm, stay cool, stay dry, and your car shop inside at Lexus of Wilmington. Go to lexusofwilmington.com for more information.